Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you all 4 bubble outfit locations in the new Call of Wheels event in Heartopia. So in this event, you can get 2 free outfit set just by popping these special outfit bubbles. And the first bubble is right underneath the portal. This one at this area on here. And then just like that, you will pop the bubble on here. For the second location is located on here. More precisely on here. And then for the third location is on here. This one for the third locations is on here at the Jellyfish cave, this area. And then for the last locations is on here. And then for the last locations is on here, like this. It's near the Whalefall area, this one. And okay, that's all for outfit bubble locations. If this card helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.